guys, it's Roger and welcome back to my kitchen. Well, before I even start, I want to say a great big thank you to all of my faithful subscribers and everybody that watches my videos on my channel. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. I've got hundreds of very easy and very tasty recipes, and I'm sure there'd be one out there that you would really enjoy. And the other day I went to my local Asian supermarket. Oh, they have some brilliant stuff there, and so reasonable too. And while I was there, these caught my eye because all of my family, we love these. It's just okra, ladies' fingers, so delicious. And we're going to cook these up and have them with a curry tonight. So without further ado, let's carry on.
Now, to go with this okra, or ladies' fingers, we're going to need some onion. Now, I've chosen one whole red onion and I've cut it up quite small like this, little tiny pieces, at this size. Then we're going to take a pan, put it on a hob, and in the pan we're going to put some cooking oil, just ordinary cooking oil, and to accompany this I'm going to put a hefty amount of butter. What we need to do is just swirl this around a bit, keep the heat on medium, and eventually the butter's going to melt down and then you end up with this, butter and oil. That's our start. So then we can go in with our onions. We're going to soften these down. We're not going to burn them, we're just going to make them translucent, nice and soft, and change the taste, because by doing this they'll get very sweet. While they're cooking, we can carry on with our okra, top and tail, and cut these into little pieces. They're probably about half an inch, no more, about like that size. Back to our onions, they've sweated down quite nicely, and we can go in with our okra. Now we've got quite a lot here, we've got 2 platefuls I ended up with. They're going to shrink down a little bit, so we're going to have to keep on top of these, keep them moving around. We don't want any burning going on. Anyway, they're looking pretty good at the moment. Just keep on moving. Okay, looking good. Give them a final little swish around. And then we're going to start adding some flavours. We can go in with half a teaspoon of salt. Of course you can put more in or less in, it's entirely up to you. Then we're going to go in with some turmeric. I've used 1 teaspoon. Really good stuff this, adds a bit of colour and it's good for you as well. Garlic powder. I love garlic, don't you? I have garlic in almost everything, but not puddings. A teaspoon of ginger, a heaped teaspoon of mild curry powder. Don't want anything too hot and spicy. Then we can mix all these flavours, get all these flavours incorporated all together. Cover the okra, cover the onion. And when this is done, we can add a drop of water. Not too much. All in all, I'm going to put in about a cup of water. We're going to lose a bit through evaporation, and of course it's going to soak into the spices as well. Give that a good mix together. And this is what you end up with. Doesn't that look great? Now it's absorbed all those flavours. It's ready to serve up with any curry. Or of course, anything else you might want to eat it with. Thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine and this recipe that I've just done for you. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.